Mr. Lee spent 1/3 of his money on 5 shirts and 14 ties. The cost of each shirt is 4 times the cost of each tie. He bought additional ties as gift with 1/4 of the remaining money. How many ties did he buy altogether? Now, since we're only interested in the number of ties, okay, we should strive to change these shirts into ties. Now, how do we do that? One shirt is equivalent in value to 4 ties. How do we get this? It's basically from this statement. The cost of each shirt is 4 times the cost of each tie. So instead of buying one shirt for the same amount of money, you can buy 4 ties. So if you are wanting to substitute or replace 5 shirts, that will be 5 times 4. That will be 20 ties. Okay, so with 1/3 of his money, right? Of his money, okay, he can buy 5 shirts, or as what we have done, we've replaced it with 20 ties plus another 14 more ties. So total 20 plus 14, total is 34 ties. Okay, this is just with 1/3 of his money. Now he wanted to buy more ties, okay, as gifts. So with the remaining money, okay, after he spent at 1/3, right, he had some remaining money. He used 1/4 of that remaining money to buy more ties. So what's remaining? What's remaining will be 1/2 minus 1/3. That will be 2/3, right? Because he spent at 1/3 already, no more. So remaining will be 1/2 minus 1/3, 2/3. So out of which the additional ties will be 1/4 of the remaining. So 1/4 of the remaining. So this will be 1 out of 6. Okay, divide by 2, divide by 2, you get 2, and then 1, 2 times 3 is a 6 here. So now, with 1/6 of his money, how many more ties can he buy? That's the question. Okay, how many more ties can he buy? This is the question mark with the ties. Okay, so we know that 1/3 of his money can buy him 34 ties. Now, how about 1/6? Alright, how about 1/6? Now, to do this, we need to make sure we are working with the same denominators. So 3 and 6. How do I make it the same? Times 2, times 2. Okay, so times 2 times 2, basically we can also say that 2/6 of his money, okay, 2/6 of his money can buy him 34 ties. 2/6 of his money can buy him 34 ties. So 1/6 of his money, how many more ties can he buy? 34 divided by 2, right? So 34 divided by 2, 17 more ties can be bought. So this is the additional amount of ties, number of ties he bought, and not forgetting initially he already bought 14. Okay, so 17 plus 14, that will be the total. 17 plus 14. Answer 31 ties.